All right, let's break down and analyze the text on public finance, structuring it in a way that would be suitable for teaching an 18-year-old student, similar to how a reputed teacher from college might approach the subject. Let's get started. Full analysis and explanation. Module 1, Public Finance 1, Definition and Scope. Public finance. It's a branch of economics that deals with how the government is involved in the economy, particularly focusing on government revenue, money coming in, and expenditure, money going out. Scope. It's all about understanding and managing how the government raises and spends money. 2. Classical and neoclassical views. Focus. Earlier, economists, classical and neoclassical, were mostly concerned with how the government gets and spends its money. Beliefs. They supported the idea of the government playing a minimal role, advocating for balanced budgets and limited taxes. 3. Modern perspectives. Philip E. Taylor's view. He sees public finance as managing the government's finances, which includes both collecting funds and spending them. Subject matter encompasses public revenue, expenditure, public debt, and financial administration. Crawford Dalton. He describes public finance as being about how public authorities earn and spend their money. Structured notes on functions of public finance. 1. Allocation of resources. Objective. Decide how a country's resources are divided among different sectors. Influence factors. Taxes and expenditure. National budget. Government role. Direct and indirect resource allocation. Overcoming market mechanism limitations. In India, the government allocates budget for various sectors, balancing public and private goods, and influences private investment. 2. Distribution. Objective. Influence how national income and resources are shared among the population. Government tools. Taxation policies. For example, progressive direct taxes. Expenditure policies. For example, spending on social infrastructure. In India, implementation of a progressive tax system and GST, along with welfare spending. 3. Stabilization. Objective. Manage economic cycles and maintain stability. Tools used. Countercyclical fiscal operations. Economic stability, defined as the absence of extreme fluctuations in the economy. Keynesian influence. Keynes advised using fiscal tools to manage the economy, especially during downturns. Functional finance concept. Emerged from the idea of using fiscal policy to stabilize the economy.